Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm headed out into the woods for just a little walk. We've got our first snowstorm of the season on the way. We did get a little bit of snow about a week ago or so, maybe 2 inches, but it melted away pretty quick. But we're under a winter storm warning right now. We're supposed to get like 4 to 8 inches over the next 24 hours. And it should start pretty soon. I'm seeing a few flakes here and there, so it may start coming down a little harder as we're out in the woods here. We'll find out. I've got this crazy guy with me right now. Hey, Sam. Sammy. A lot of smells right now for him, so he's pretty excited. There's a lot of buck activity out here behind our house, right in the woods. I've seen quite a few rubs and plenty of tracks too. I don't think I'm going to see anything with this guy running around with me though. Another really nice rub right here. Tons of deer sign. We're kind of in a wet area right now. Quite the deer highway right here. Some really nice tracks too. Still got to get my new game camera. I'd set it up on a spot like this, like that trail. It's amazing. He's loving this. What are you doing, Sam? I'm anxious to get some more time, maybe an opportunity to head back up towards the mountains at some point and start looking for moose sheds. They start dropping their antlers typically this month. We're in December now. And usually they drop them December. They can hold them, I'd say, as late as early February, but I'd say most of the time they're going to drop them by the beginning of February at the latest. The only challenge with getting up there this time of year is the snowpack starts getting pretty deep, so a lot of those remote roads that I like to take to get in there are not accessible by vehicle right now. So that may have to wait till spring, but we will see. This storm that we're due to get right, in the next 24 hours or so, they're supposed to get around a foot or so up in the mountains. So, and they've already got a pretty good snowpack. I've made it to the power lines near our house. The snowmobile trail follows these power lines. And it goes up quite a ways up to the top of the ridge up there. I'm gonna head up there. We're getting up there. Getting a little bit of view. You can see that it's kind of hazed out a little bit. That's because it's doing a little bit of, it's like a snow grapple mix right now, but it's very light. You can barely tell. It's about 33 degrees, so I'm sure once the precip starts falling, that temp will drop a couple degrees. I should be able to more comfortably be able to get out in the woods a little more going forward. Hunting season is pretty much over. Regular firearm season is over. And tomorrow starts the last 5-day stretch of muzzle loader season in this area. So once this week goes by, then all hunting is over for the year. It's Sunday today, so that's why I'm not wearing any orange right now. Sam's got his orange bandana on, but shouldn't have to worry about it today. Gonna go right up that steep incline right there. Then we'll be able to see over the other side. And then my plan is to follow along this ridge for a ways. Get some views back down into the valley from up there. Looks like I see a nice bright clump of winterberry, just a small one, right up there. Yeah, another nice little clump of winterberry. Nice bright red stuff. That's where we're headed, straight up there. Of course, Sam already beat me. He'll probably come down and go all the way back up. He likes to put on a few extra miles. It's a lot steeper than it looks. Now we get a view looking to the west. All the way down the power lines. And we came from that direction and around that bend there. Now we're going to cut up through the woods. We're at the top of this ridge here. So we're just going to keep following the edge of it. And some views through the trees out there down into the valley. That was looking east. And then it's pretty thick through here, but the ridge drops off pretty sharp on the other side too, looking out towards the west. So we're going to keep following the edge. Pretty steep drop off going down there. You can see some of the fields down the valley down there. What do you want? Big smoke plume down in the valley down there. I would imagine that's just a brush fire, a brush pile. You're crazy. You're crazy. Huh? All right, we're gonna head back towards the house now. I'm gonna be up on this ridge for a little while. See if we see anything different. Take a slightly different route back. It's really pretty up here though. Sam's having a blast. Nice balsam fir right here up on top of the ridge. I just checked the weather and saw on the radar that looks like heavier precip is right on our doorstep, so I would imagine it should start snowing a little harder here pretty soon. Right now it's just this light stuff. But actually, as I say that, it's starting to pick up a little bit. I always love the first storm of the year. Usually they happen while I'm at work. I got lucky and this one lined up perfectly with a day off. So I'll be able to enjoy it as it's snowing this afternoon and into tomorrow morning. I wish we were getting a little bit more. But I will take half a foot of snow if we end up with that, which would be great. I'm thinking we'll probably end up with somewhere in the 3 to 6 inch range, most likely, is what it's really sounding like. All right, guys, we're gonna make our way back to the house. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I just wanted to get out today to do a quick walk. I didn't do a video for the last couple weeks. Just been busy again, but we'll call it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. I will, if it starts snowing a little harder here, I'll give you a couple clips of the snow coming down as we're headed back. Take care, guys.